Sorry, but I've been very old for it. I feel like I don't like to talk. What are you doing out here? You heard me. What are you doing?
All right, 4-8. You remember us. We already had perfection.
Oh, you! You don't look a bit like Annabelle. Trixie, sit!
That's right.
You get the apartment?
That's right. My wife and I paid for the apartment.
How much did you bribe?
500.
2,000.
2,000.
Suppose it's your own business. What are you moving into? You have a dog?
No.
Oh, he's right. That's no dog. Protect against 5-year-olds. Well, I don't usually need protection against 5-year-olds. I don't. Well, you haven't lived in this neighborhood. No, suppose it's all right. As long as he doesn't shed. Trixie's allergic to dog hair. Hey, supper, huh?
That's right. Would you care for a peach?
I don't mind. What's all right nowadays? Trixie! Now you sit! Sit! How much?
Be my guest.
No, how much do they sell you for?
Oh, 69 cents a pound.
Oh, those great. You know those brown green things? I don't know what those great for.
Would you care for some?
I don't mind.
Well, as long as you don't mind.
Listen, you gotta finish those bananas.
Here you are. Bon appetit.
How about an after dinner meal? Oh, no. Oh, but those oranges look swell. Well, I'll leave you to do whatever it was you were going to do. I'll see you run the elevator sometime. Come on, Trixie, come on, baby. Trixie!
Well, we got rid of her.
What an awful woman.
But well fed. Well, just this.
Get on, get ready, come in here.
In the kitchen.
Trixie, sit. You know, for 39 cents, that peach was delicious. For 69, it was mealy. Go on. Eddie, my fish been leaking since Eisenhower was president. Dance just started.
Theirs was flat. When yours is flat, now fix it.
Eddie, Christmas is coming.
You don't tip at Christmas.
Maybe I'll mend my ways this Christmas.
Maybe I'll fix your faucet New Year's.
Eddie, I'm a two-time loser. The first one left me and the second one I got rid of. I'm all alone in the world.
You got that killer to keep you company.
My little Trixie, a killer. Trixie, dead.
Last guy in the apartment had to lock himself in the stall shower.
Eddie, you want to get out of here?
Yes.
Trixie's in the hall.
Now fix your faucet.
I'll restrain him. See? These dog comes in handy sometimes.
Lady's been blackmailing me with that dog ever since she moved into this building. One of these days, I think I'm going to poison it.